Hello, this is a video for Ansible. My name is Kaylin, and let's get started. We can confirm that two instances and an RDS have been successfully created through Terraform. And first, take a look at the code inventory directory. So inside the inventory directory, there are two YAML files which make dynamic inventories. This file, EC2 file, retrieves information about the EC2 instances, and RDS YAML file fetches details about the RDS instances. So in the command, I already run the command ansible inventory graph. Then we can see the RDS instance here and backend and web EC2 instance here. And let's look at the roles. So there are two roles, backend server and web server. At the beginning, I struggled why the instruction said we need to create two roles for this assignment, because I couldn't use two different hosts in the same playbook. I had to separate them into two different roles. So I needed three roles in total. And then I realized that we don't need much setup for the database as the assignment2. So using RDS, it was so much easier to set up and connect to the backend server. And I have failed to connect to the backend server in the assignment2, but I could do it so easily in this assignment3. So I have two roles. So I have two roles in the end. So let's see the code in the backend server. I have files that contains backend.service. So working directory will be this one, user, and yes. So we're gonna replace this. We're gonna put this into the backend server for the Ansible code. And let's see the task first. So task for the backend. So I will make a directory and then copy the backend folder, the Python files to the server. So destination is this one. And I installed some Python packages here. And in the requirement file, I will install them too. And I install my secret client because I want to see my secret server is okay. So to test this, I need this my secret client, the package. And then using templates, so I'm gonna replace this one to the server. So this is it's in the tool file. So that has the DB names, usernames, password, and the RDS endpoint. That all those information will be stored in the vars. So let's look at this back. And then we put the service file and then reload systemmd, and then this handler will be this file. And then I add the create table, the query in the in this playbook. So login these users and RDS endpoint to connect to the RDS. And then database was created in the Terraform. So all I need is create a table. So the value is example name and some random the student number will be in the database. And the handlers is very simple, only one. So the service will be restarted, and template, what I said, the vars will store all the information we need. This is a local file path, and this is a requirement path, and the database name is this one, and those are created in the Terraform. And then backend IP, web IP, and RDS port and RDS endpoint is dynamically retrieved from the instance. So that must be very convenient. And this is a web server. Let's see the files. Yeah, index file. And let's see the task. So this is quite simple. So making directory to put the file in it. And yeah, index file will be in the front end directory, and then index file is from files from here, and insert nginx, and then default file will be replaced, and then it use a template directory right here, and we'll restart nginx. The handlers is here, restart, and in the template directory default ginger file. So yeah, this will be the settings, but I think the prospects is wrong, I think, because I couldn't connect the front end to the back end. So I think the prospects is the reason. Let's see the vars. So user. So this all from the dynamic inventories. And EM file, the access code, the Ansible configuration. So I added the AWS RDS plugins this time. This is the main YAML file. We'll run the roles for the web server and the backend server. This will call the roles from here. So okay, let's try run. So Ansible playbook. What was it? Main. Okay, it looks very good. Let's check. How can you check the index file first? It is replaced or not. Let's go to the web public IP. Okay, you can see the index.html file, but it's waiting for response from the backend. So it doesn't receive any information or uh, anything from backend. So, but we can check backend and the database is connected. So we're gonna go to the access to the backend. Okay, ls. Let's see backend source backend. Okay, we have this one. Yeah, all file is transferred from the local system. Let's see the MySQL first. MySQL host is here, and the bars. Yeah. And username, and password. Okay, we are now in the MySQL show databases. Okay, we have a database created here. That's good. And use AERDS image show tables. We have item, so select everything from item. Yes, I have created example name and 1, 2, 3, 4 BCIT IT that is created in here. So it was successful. Exit, and then we can run assignment3 the file. Yes, it is connected to the database. We can run this file, but yeah, sadly I can't connect it to the index file. Okay, this is the end of the video. Thank you, Nathan. Thank you very much. See you in the final exam.